Shangcheng Songxin Garment Company Limited, founded in 2003, is located in the eastern Henan province with convenient transportation. We focus on hospital uniform, workwear, suits, and pants, and specializes in garment manufacturing, processing, and exporting business. At present, our factory has 50 production lines totally, covering a workplace area of 19,898 square meters, with more than 1,000 pieces of specialized equipment. We can produce 20 million pieces garments, and the annual value of production reaches $300 million. Our well-equipped facilities and excellent quality control throughout all stages of production enable us to guarantee total customer satisfaction. We can design and make OEM products according to your ideas and samples. Quality control is an action more than a slogan. Our strict quality control is implemented in all aspects of operations to meet the standards of top-tier customers. The philosophy has permeated all levels of the production process, covering A. Incoming material inspection, B. Inspection of work in progress, C. Finished products inspection, D. Random inspection in warehouse. Satisfied quality, competitive price, punctual delivery, and timely after-sales service formed our tenet and is the base of our developing. Our goal is to save every client for our partner. We are looking forward to the mutual benefit and cooperation with all friends at home and abroad.
Hello everyone, this is Jiangsu Songxin Garment Company. We focus on hospital uniform, cleaner uniform, workwear and suits. Hoping for cooperation with you. Welcome to our factory.